Alright, in this video I thought I'll cover one of the mistakes I made in my series covering nim and STL. And in particular, this is just to do with nim patterns. It's not necessarily there was a mistake in the code, but I thought it's good to go back and revise some of the mistakes that you have made and try to fix them going forward. Of course, because I've done a lot of the code already, you may not see these in the next set of videos that come up. But probably at some stage I'll flip over and I'll go back and correct all my code. Nevertheless, let's talk about what was a mistake. Within nim, there are ways to initialize objects, and of course, being a Python programmer, I use the same Python semantics, but there are better ways of doing this in nim. So on the left-hand side, we have one of the code where we initialize it by creating a separate procedure called init, which assigned the variables. And when we created the variables, we did it in this way. Now, there are actually better ways of doing this, and in fact, I have still written it incorrectly because you can do it via a func. And we do it in this way. So you have init texture, and this comes from the nim-lang, nim for Python programmers wiki page. And we can initialize the variables initialize the objects, like so. So let's just show you that this works. So I'm going to run nim-cr key better.nim, and hopefully it works. And you'll see that we get the same result from tutorial 10. So that's all I wanted to talk about today, that this is a better way of how we can initialize our objects, and I'll try to keep this in mind going forward. That's all for now. Thank you.